I'm going to use NARS and New Cadonian Deep 2. You don't need a lot of her. Y'all, what's your favorite foundation? NARS is my favorite foundation. Like, I done tried different foundations, but when it come down to it, she hit every time. Every time. Then I'm going to use Yetta Cosmetic brushes. She has a whole 13 set of brushes that she have. And they're at a really, really, really good price. So, I use this. I love a good dense brush. I do not use, I don't use, what are those called? Sponges. You know what, too? I feel like this, I might need a lighter color. It is winter, though. So this may be very much my summer shade, but at the end of the day, we're going to do what we got to do. And whatever's left, I just put it on my forehead. So whatever we got left, we just go on and put her up there. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Okay. And then we're going to let her sit. I let my concealer sit. How long? I don't know. I just let her sit, get tacky, and then we blend her right on out. And another reason why I love NARS is it doesn't matter what I put on top of it, it blends out. Whatever concealer I use, whatever blush I use, whatever, you know, whatever I use, because I use a lot of different products, it always gives me the seamless blend. Like, it just blends out so well. So, but let me know in the comments what foundation that you use. And if you feel like there's a foundation out there better than NARS, let me know. What foundation you think I should try? Put it in the comments and let me know. Okay. So those is all the placements for my base that I use for my base. All right, we're going to go on and, yeah, blend her out. I was looking at old videos of me doing my makeup, and I'm like, I think I like better using a dense brush to blend out my makeup because I switched it. So I'm about to, this is the first time of me going back using a dense brush and see how I like it today. Because I was using like a fluffy brush because I'm always trying to switch up and see what's the best, you know what I'm saying, to use. But we gonna see. All right, y'all, I'm using Fenty Stick in Ebony, which is 6. All right, gonna put her here. And we're gonna put her here, 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 obviously the other side. And we're gonna do her here and here. Okay, that's what we're gonna do with her. Now we're gonna use e.l.f. in Coming in Hot Pink. Y'all, I love good blush. Gonna put her right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. I love it, love it. I love her, love her, love her, love her. Okay, I love blush. And I need a new blush brush. Anybody in the comments, let me know what kind of blush brush, because I love this blush brush right here by e.l.f., but I can't find it to replace it. Because, baby, when I say it's on its last legs, honey, it's on its last legs. So I'm just going to be so sad if it go out on me. And just look how it blend out, child. What? So if you know a good blush brush that you use, like, oh, yeah, and it's, like, shaped like this, please let me know. Please let me know, because I need it. I need it right now. I need her right now. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm going to go in with Yetta Cosmetics. The different shades of contour palette. So these are all the different shades she got. And then I'm gonna get my puffer And I like a light under eye, so I'm going to use this one right here. And we're just going to go right directly under here, Bookie. We're going to get it right up under there. Okay. We're going to put it everywhere that I put. Go to the other side. Okay. Yeah. Then after that, I'm going to get a nice powder brush. And then I'm going to go in with my shade right here and just go over this right here. Gotta get that. Okay. Same thing over here. Got a powder everywhere else. And then I'm gonna get my angle brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the dark for the dark spot, you know. Wherever you put, you have to go back. Wherever you put your liquids, you go back with your powders, okay? Yes, 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 you got it. Now after that, I am going to go in with Pressing powder. I mean loose powder. Ooh, well, I thought that was open. Loose powder from Benefit and Translucent. Well, I'm always talking about some transition. Listen, translucent. I don't need y'all to talk about some what? So we're gonna grab it. Here we go. And then we go snatch that nose up. And then I just put it right here. Same on the other side. Snatch that. Oh, okay. Snatch that nose. And then I put some on my smile lines. Okay. I'm gonna get some more. Then I'm gonna put it scope here. Just like that. Boom. On the other side. And now I'm gonna come back. I'll let this sit for a little while. I'm gonna do my lip and I'm gonna put my lashes on. And then after I put my lip and my lashes on, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what's tea. All right, y'all, this is the final look, okay? And I feel like I give myself like a 7 out of 10. I feel like my lines on the white could have been better. I feel like I'm a little dark because it's my summer shade. But besides those two things, I really feel like I executed it very well. So y'all let me know, rating 1 out of 10. Be honest. Let me know what you don't like, what you do like. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the 12-day Christmas looks. I don't know what I'm calling it, but this look number 1. And if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you drop a red little heart. Mwah. Love you guys.